The auto border function is useful in creating automatic borders around an object. You can add a running, a satin, a cut, a paint zigzag, or a paint border to one or more objects when all modules of the software are activated. First, select the object and then click on Auto Border. A dialog box opens up and you can make your choices. You can also access Auto Border through the right-click menu by selecting Auto Border, or you can access it through Tools and Auto Border. In the dialog box, you can choose to place the border to the inside of the object or to the outside. In this case, we're going to check to outside. Change the distance to be the distance that you want the border to be from the object. If you wish to make an echo quilting design around an object, increase the number of repeats. I'll choose a running stitch. You can also see the options of cut, a satin serial border, and when you choose satin serial, you can choose the width of the border that you wish. You can add painted zigzag lines or a paint line around an object. Select your option and click OK. And you can see that there are stitched lines around this star. Each of the borders is an independent object and can be edited in different ways. When you're working with an object that has a hole in the object and click on Auto Borders, and if I keep Remove Holes checked and add a cutting line, let's say 0.1 millimeter from the edge of the object, and click OK, the cut work is added around the outside of the object. On the other hand, if I add the same cut line, only this time remove holes and click OK, the cut line is going to occur on both sides of the object.